Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hi, hello, you are watching Imatra Hobby Channel. I am Mohsin and here is Jonas, my son. Today we are going to present you another new COBI. Hari ini saya akan present kepada anda semua sebuah lagi COBI, iaitu okay, anda tahu apa pesawat ini? Do you know what the plane is? Apa dia, Jonas?
BF-110.
BF-110C. Okay, what is BF-110C? BF-110C is a German Luftwaffe heavy fighter. Okay, mengikut sejarah, ini adalah pesawat tentera udara Jerman semasa era Perang Dunia Kedua. Ini adalah pesawat heavy fighter ataupun pesawat pejuang berat. Ya, pesawat pejuang berat, heavy fighter. Kenapa ya? Ini adalah pesawat yang digunakan untuk melakukan serangan ke atas tentera musuh dan ke atas pesawat pengepung musuh. Jadi inilah dipanggil heavy fighter kerana ia mempunyai dua engine. Okay, it have a two engine, that's why it's been called as heavy fighter. Okay, that's about the history. Now I'm going to show you the product itself. Okay, this is a product we have. Okay, okay, can you see? Yes, this is the product. Okay, okay, clear? Okay, so this is made by COBI. COBI ini adalah buatan COBI. Awak tahu dia mana? Pernah dengar COBI? Tak pernah dengar kan? Kerana COBI ini adalah satu produk baru yang saya sendiri import masuk. Saya sendiri import masuk, bawa ke Malaysia ni. COBI ni. COBI ni bukan buatan daripada mana? Tahu? Tak, bukan. Ini buatan ini nak tunjuk. Okey, boleh nampak tak? Boleh perasan tak? Buatan EU atau Eropah. Okey, sebenarnya alamat dia adalah di sini. Okey, COBI Factory SA Mielec, Poland. Ini adalah produk negara Poland, Eropah. Jadi ini memang original. Okey, kenapa kita tahu ini adalah building block kan? Building block. Awak tak tahu kan ni building block? Okey, saya tunjukkan building block. Building block macam Lego kan? Bricks, orang panggil bricks. Tapi saya call this as a building block, not a bricks. But sometimes some people say this bricks, but I call this building blocks. It's okay. It's matter of your own preferences. Ikut cita rasa masing-masing. Tak kisah, tapi ianya adalah sistem yang sama, lebih kurang sama dengan Lego. Okay, alright. Jadi apakah beza COBI dengan Lego ni? Okay. Here, ni COBI adalah biasanya mengeluarkan koleksi-koleksi tentang Perang Dunia Kedua. Tahu? Koleksi Perang Dunia Kedua. Lego tak ada koleksi Perang Dunia Kedua macam ni. Tapi ini buat produk Poland ni mengeluarkan koleksi Perang Dunia Kedua. Dia lebih kepada historical, real aircraft, real vehicle. This is COBI is about real vehicle, real things, historical. And Lego, they usually always about some fictions. And sometimes there's a real things. There's a real building. That's the Lego. But Lego never have such this World War II. But for the COBI, they produce World War II because there's a fans of World War II. There's a fans of military historical things. So for those siapa yang minat sejarah perang, sejarah militer, pastinya ini adalah sesuatu yang telah memenuhi cita rasa kita lah, kira dream come true, kira dapatlah capai hasrat lah. Sebab kalau kita nak tunggu Lego keluarkan kapal terbang macam ni, memang takkan lah. Jadi mujurlah satu hari saya terjumpa COBI ni dan saya beli. Bila saya dah beli, saya tengok puas hati, maka akhirnya saya decide nak bawa ke Malaysia ni dan cuba marketkan benda ni untuk rakyat Malaysia. Kotak ni kita pusing, kita tengok belakang. Okey, tengok bahagian belakang kotak ni besar. Kita bandingkan kotak ni, okey, badan dia besarlah kotak ni, badan dengan badan saya ni. Okey, badan saya. Sebenarnya kotak dia memang besar-besar. Contohnya ambilkan satu lagi kotak. Sambil tu kita nak promo yang lain juga. Okey. Okey, ni kotak Henkel. Alright. So, meanwhile, I'll show you another box that this one is Henkel He111. Nampak tak? Ada model lagi besar, lagi berat. This one is heavy. Alright, heavy. This one. So, okay. So, today we are going to focus on this model only. Kita nak tunjuk ni je dulu. So, ni bahagian belakang dia. I'm going to show you the back of the box. Okay. So, dalam model ini apa yang ada? What you will get in this box? Okay, you will have 2 minifigs, figurines. Okay, figurine or minifigs. Okay, I will show you after this the figurine dia. Minifig is bergantung kepada you lah. You nak kata apa? It's depend on you. You like to say figurine or minifigs. I say it both. I call it both. So here we are. There's 2 minifigs, and I will show you after this. And then what's so special about this? Yeah, there's a movable aileron. Okay, you can move it. Okay, something movable. Okay, and here is the cockpit and landing gear, and here is a little bit of historical information. You can read it. Alright. Okay, for this, it has 370 pieces of blocks. Ada 370 piece of blocks. Maka bila awak beli ni, awak akan ada 370 piece block yang anda akan cantum-cantumkan menjadi kapal terbang. Okay, there's a 370 piece of block that you will assemble to build as a plane. Okay, so yeah, here is another information here. Ada satu lagi. Okay, ini dia skala dia. It's the scale of the minifigs figurines. Okay, it's like this size lah. It's like this size. This is the true size of the minifigs. Again, so I will show you a part of a building process. Is all the flashback clips, and then after this we will show you how we build it.
Hello.
Hi Yunus.
Hi everyone.
Hey, what do you do? What are you
I
doing?
almost finished the wing section.
Wing section. Can I see it? Hey, what kind of plane is this? What is the plane?
BF-110.
110 BF-110. Dear Mr. Schmidt.
Here's the flap.
Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Licin, huh? Smooth. Strong also. It's quite strong. Kuat lah. Nampak tak? Ini adalah mainan binaan seperti Lego, betul tak? Kan?
Yes.
Okay. But it is made from
Poland.
Poland. This is 100% made by a Polish company. 100% buatan daripada syarikat di Poland. What's this? What's that?
It's a tire.
Oh, you want this is the one that it's quite hard for children to attach the tire, isn't it? Nak pasang tire susah kan? Kawasan ni, so nanti sini, buat sini, tolong. You wanna? Okay, let me help you. Okay, this is an adult job. So quite because it seems hard. Tu ada anak saya kat atas tu perempuan.
Can I eat water?
Want drink?
Yes.
What?
I want drink.
Yeah, you can go to drink now. Nampak? Can you see it? Okay, nampak? Okay. Okay. The bomb's falling down. It's okay, I will fix it. Okay. Here the bomb underneath the flames. Alright, can you see? Just like other blocks. Just like other blocks. Like Legos, Sluban, and other Chinese blocks. But this one is made
From Poland.
made from Poland. My son said yes, indeed. Yeah, I try to spin the propeller. Okay, okay. It spins quite fast and good. Okay, so beside this is our other model, the British de Havilland mosquito. The British Havilland mosquitoes. Okay, here. So we will compare this with our new BF-110 Messerschmitt. Alright, compare the size. Okay. Okay. Kat sikit. Tengok kamera. Alright. Okay, nampak tak? Can you see? So we compare from this direction. Okay, dari atas. So if you want to buy, let's hurry up. Click the link at the description. There's a Lazada and Shopee links. You can buy either both from the website, and once we got the order from you, we will ship it as soon as possible. Now, let's play. Alright, just play. Okay. So, Yunus, what is this type of plane? Is this bomber? Is this bomber or heavy fighter?
Both of them.
Both of them. My son say this is a light bomber and heavy fighter, and this also same heavy fighter and light bomber. So jangan lupa, okay, like our video. Don't forget subscribe dan tekan notification button. Okay, dan jangan lupa awak juga boleh tekan link pada description untuk membeli model ini. Okay, you can buy directly by just clicking the link in the description. Okay, so see you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.